Let's say you're using your phone and it suddenly turns on and off. If that's the case, don't worry, because in this video tutorial we're going to explain the easiest way to recover your device. These are errors that sometimes happen. For example, if you received several updates and you didn't update your phone, this is one of the first errors that can occur. Another possibility is that you left it charging, or perhaps your phone overheated. If that's your case, here's what you need to do. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously and wait for the phone to restart. When it restarts, quickly release the volume down button and hold the volume up button. Then, when the logo appears, you're going to do the following. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button. That would be one of the first options. What you're going to do is scroll down here, tap where it says Wipe Data, and then tap where it says Wipe All Data. But in some cases, you'll tap here where it says Restart. And let's see if it works. If you tap Restart and it doesn't work, then you'll have to use step number 2, which is to reset your phone. When you tap Reset, all the information on your device will be deleted. Let's wait for it to take you to the home screen. If it takes a long time, then you'll have to use the second recovery method.